Equation of the tangent explained clearly. The equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c. Here, m is the slope, how steep the line is, and c is the y-intercept, where the line crosses the vertical axis. We'll follow a quick, intuitive, step-by-step method that never skips a step. Step 1. Identify the touching point, x sub 1, y sub 1. Plug the given x value into the original function to get y sub 1. Step 2. Find the derivative, the slope machine, f prime of x. Step 3. Compute the slope m by evaluating f prime at x sub 1. Step 4. Solve for the intercept c using y equals mx plus c, which gives c equals y sub 1 minus m times x sub 1. Step 5. Write the final line, y equals mx plus c. Example, a tangent to y equals x squared at x equals 3. Step 1. Find the point. Plug x equals 3 into y equals x squared. Y equals 3 squared equals 9, so the point is 3, 9. Step 2. Derivative. The derivative of x squared is 2x. Step 3. Slope. Evaluate at x equals 3. M equals 2 times 3 equals 6. Step 4. Intercept. Use y equals mx plus c with x equals 3, y equals 9, and m equals 6. 9 equals 6 times 3 plus c, so c equals -9. Step 5. Write the line. The tangent is y equals 6x minus 9. Example B. Tangent to y equals x squared at x equals 2. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.